Math Module 5, Lesson 7. I can solve word problems involving the volume of rectangular prisms with whole number edge lengths. Make sure everything I do in the video, you're doing in your workbook. Good luck! Jeffrey's first planter is 8 feet long and 2 feet wide. The container is filled with soil to a height of 3 feet in the planter. What is the volume of soil in the planter? Explain your work using a diagram. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a planter. Before I begin drawing the planter, though, I need to annotate my question. So his first planter is 8 feet long and 2 feet wide. So length, width. The container is filled with soil to a height of 3 feet. In the planter, what is the volume of soil in the planter? And you know what? I didn't read this, but it says above problem 1, Jeffrey built rectangular planters. So I need to explain your work using a diagram. So I'm going to draw my planter. I'm going to keep in mind my length, my width, and my height. So my length is 8 feet. My height is about 3 feet. Okay, this is not to scale. I'm just doing the best I can. So that's 3 feet. My width is 2 feet. All right. And then we just finish off our planter. All right, so I have my length, I have my width, I have my height, which it's filled with soil. So what's the volume of our soil? So volume is V equals, my equation is length times width times height. Yes, we always write that. So now I'm going to plug in my numbers. I have 8 feet times 2 feet for my width times 3 feet for my height. 8 times 2 is 16 times 3. Well, I have to do that over to the side because I don't know that off the top of my head. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 10. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So volume is 48. That's an 8. Yikes. Feet and volume, it's 3 dimensions, length, width, height, so it's cubic feet. Make sure everything I did in the video, you did in your workbook. Problem number 2. Jeffrey wants to grow some tomatoes in 4 large planters. He wants each planter to have a volume of 320 cubic feet, but he wants them all to be different. Show 4 different ways Jeffrey can make these planters and draw diagrams with the planter's measurements on them. So I'm going to do 1 with you, and then you'll do 3 by yourself. So let's annotate the problem first. He wants 1 planter, each planter to have a volume of, so V equals 320 cubic feet. He wants them all to be different, so they aren't going to look the same. So 4 different ways you can make these planters, draw diagrams, and the planter's measurements on them. Can do. So I need to think of what numbers are going to get me 320 for length, width, and height. So I might have to try a few things. So I'm going to try to get what numbers are going to make 32. That might make it easier. So I'm just looking at the base of 320. So what 3 numbers could I multiply that are going to get me 32? Well, I could do 16 times 2, and that gets me 32. However, I need volume, which is 3 dimensions. So I could break up 16 and do 4 and 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, times 2 is 32. So, all right, so let me draw my model. So I'm going to say length, width, height. So 4 feet. Oh, but I need to get that 0. I just did 32. Oh, I could do length is 40. 40 times 4 is 160 because 4 times 4 is 16 plus the 0, 160. 160 times 2, so 16 times 2 is 32. Add the 0. Oh, all right. So there we go. So let me fix my problem. See? So I need to erase my diagram and start over a little bit. All right. So that's why it's good to always use pencil. So I need to make my length long, so like 40. This is not to scale, FYI. So 40 feet. My height is 2 feet. And my width is 4. Alright. So now I'm just going to finish my 3 dimensions. Alright, beautiful. And if I needed to, I could even do my 2 feet here or my 2 feet here. I mean, I don't have to do it on that left. I just did because it was easier for me. So let's just solve this, and you can use your page to the left that's empty. Let's just prove that our volume is correct, okay, using our equation. So V is equal to length times width times height. Get used to that equation. V is equal to, well, my length is 40 times my width of 4 times my height of 2. So V is equal to, so I could do it this way. 40 times, well, 4 times 2 is 8. So V is equal to, well, 4 times 8 is 32, and bring down that 0. Volume is 3 dimensions, so it's cubic feet. There we go. And there's my answer. So this work should be shown on the empty page to your left. Make sure, let's look at our checklist up here. Did we draw a diagram? Yes. Did we include the planter's measurements on them? Absolutely. So make sure everything I did, you did too. You will now be doing the same thing, but different measurements for length with height for planter B, C, and D. Good luck!